Here is a Nissan Murano. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Go ahead and open the driver's side door. Right there's where the sensor is. All you need for this job is a T20 screwdriver bit. T20, Torx 20, that's all you need and you have to have it. Without this job is not possible. Get the screwdriver and we just have to take that one bolt over there off. So push down and you push on it and then twist it left. That way you don't end up stripping that bolt off. Just unscrew this all the way and get the bolt out, and then you can just pull the sensor out easily. Now all you have to do is just press down on the electrical connector right there and then get the connector off the sensor. So press down in the middle and get it out. Go ahead and get the new replacement sensor, and then it just goes on the electrical connector on one way. Just get it on, slide it on and click it, and now let's put the sensor back into the body. And you have to have that one bolt. Just be sure that you didn't lose it. Get the bolt, hand tighten it a couple times, and then let's just tighten it down. That bolt is very important because that is what connects the circuit. Without that bolt, the door sensor will not work. Everything is looking good over here. Now let's move on to the rear side door. Open the door, and right there where the sensor is, this is the exact same process as the front door. No differences whatsoever. Again, the same T20 screwdriver bit. Get the screw out, get the sensor out. And same way, we have to first just disconnect the electrical connector. For that, just press the middle part over there and then try to get it out. If it's stuck for some reason, get the screwdriver and press down right there. Yeah, right in the middle, and that will help you get the connector off the sensor. Get the new sensor, align it, click it, put the sensor back in, and then same thing, just tighten the screw down. That's pretty much it. Hope you found it useful.